All right, we're running the test here. Seeing how this new setup goes with this camera, and we'll see how it goes. I'll drive around a little bit. We'll talk about engineering while I'm at it. I am sitting in a Toyota Camry. This is my car. I just got it about 8 months ago. It's a used car. It's got 226,000 miles. If that sounds like a lot, it is a ton. I bought this car for $3,000. It's older than most of you. You're saying, why in the heck are you talking about this? Well, we're using this car as introduction to manufacturing methods, specifically Toyota manufacturing methods. They are called lean manufacturing and lean engineering. And we'll talk a lot about lean, and we talk about manufacturing. So that's why we're talking about this. This is some skill, a big skill you're going to need on any manufacturing plant anywhere. I've been in about 10 plants myself over the years, maybe 12, and they all had the same setup pretty much. But Toyotas are specifically the best ones. They're the best at setting up factories and making good cars from the factories. Now, if anybody's ever been in a Toyota, you'll know it's not the flashiest thing in the world. It's not the nicest thing in the world. But there's only one car company in the world that makes cars that go 225,000 miles. That's manufacturing, folks. So what we're going to talk about in this class is how do we get to making cars of high quality enough that they go 225,000 miles? Because when I was a kid, if you bought a Chevy, you got it to go 50,000 miles without rusting out or the engine blowing up, you were doing good. Now we've got cars doing 250. With electric vehicles, we've got even more. Some of those vehicles, just because of the mechanics is different. We'll talk about electric vehicles a lot. The mechanics is different. So here's my roller, 2010 Toyota Camry. We will talk about Toyota engineering and manufacturing and robotics because they are the best. Well, that's not me saying it, that's the industry. I learned that at Goodyear. So we'll talk about that. Paid $3,000 for this sucker. Not bad, huh? Okay, so let's swing this back around to the Toyota I'm sitting in. Toyota manufacturing system, it's good stuff. When I was at Goodyear, Toyota was so good at this that they started exporting this manufacturing methodology to other companies. The one I worked at Goodyear, they made tires there. Worked there for 14 years. They copied Toyota's manufacturing system. So, for those two reasons, one, I worked at a place that did this, and for two, well, more than one place. For two, the best company in the world is the Toyota at manufacturing, and this is a manufacturing class. So right now I'm just introing topics, rare earth elements, lithium-ion batteries, geopolitics. These all sound like big terms, but these affect everyday things that you've got going on in your lives, which is why we're talking about them. So, yeah, rare earth element sounds complicated, but when you go, hey, my cell phone battery, that's what that means also. Then you start talking about things that are in your own real life, and that's what we really try to do in this class, is use examples that actually work in people's lives, like my 16-year-old car that's older than most of my students, that I'm actually really proud of because I got a hell of a deal on it. And cell phones, laptops, who's not down with that kind of thing? I mean, everybody is. So that's why we're talking about it. Manufacturing batteries, manufacturing cell phones. We're going to get into all kinds of that good stuff. Thanks, guys. Back to the next one.